Played for Amama Football Club together with Nabugabo. Thierry is the name of the player that has come through. It's a long ball further inside, collected well, just for the shot! It's in finally! Amaku! No, Darius Ojok. Is that Jared? No, it's Amaku rather. Apologies. Fred Amaku celebrating a goal right in front of Paul Putz. Well, it actually was coming for the man Amaku, scoring his 5th goal of the season. Long ball inside Bakau, controlled well, and Amaku was right there. Very good finish. Really, really good finish. But look at the size of Amaku together with Darius Ojok. Almost similar size there. Can get you confused a little. Good strike, Amaku. Fred Amaku making it 1-0. Good finish. Very good finish, Amaku. That's his 5th goal of the season. He loves to score goals here. Fred Amaku. The Koporo has scored, and the Koporo celebrates. And that's how it is for now. Amaku, Fred, 5 goals in the start times Uganda Premier League. Good celebration. Good goal. The only difference between Amaku and Darius Ojok is the tint on the hair, but size is the same. He's here, Paul Put, and he's watching his